Hi everybody, I'm Bianca and today I'm going to be telling you about Season 1, Episode 2 of Finding Carter the Bird. Um, I would say it has some content in it that children under age 13 do not need to see. Um, I would also like to mention that it is a very good movie or TV show. I like that episode. It's a very funny episode. There's so many words that I could say right now that will describe it in a good way, not in a bad way. So far, I have watched all the way up to Season 2, Episode 1 of the show, and I haven't seen any content that that does not need to be for children or it does not need to be for children under age 14. I would say at the beginning there is some content, and then in the middle there is some content on the birds that children under age 13 do not just need to see. Well, I'm just kind of going to give you the feedback on that show, and I want to try to make each feedback video or probably no longer than 2 minutes. It might be 3 minutes or something, but I'm not sure. So I'm still going to try it in less than 1 minute because The Bird is a very, very good episode. Children, if you are never really do that stuff in real life. But that is based on a true story. I believe so. But it's basically like Pilot, except they don't go to Froyo City. But hopefully you guys like it, and I hope that you enjoyed this episode. And remember, children under age 13 do not need to watch the beginning of it or the middle of it. Everybody have a great day. Thanks.